Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have some healthy Mediterranean diet inspired snack ideas for you. I posted a poll in my Facebook group a while ago, which I will link down below. If you're not a member, you can go and request to join. And I asked, what do you think is holding you back from losing weight? And the two top answers that I got were portion control and that you like to snack. So I'm not going to tell people not to snack because we all like to snack, right? We watch television, we want to pop something in our mouths. So we need some healthy snack alternatives. So that's what today's video is going to be about. I also posted a poll asking, when you do snack, do you like salty or sweet? And it came out 50-50. So I'm going to give you a salty, spicy snack, a sweet snack, and then I'm going to give you a snack that is party appropriate. So today is game day, as you can see by my shirt. So I want to put something out for the group because the Mediterranean diet is all about being social and eating with your friends and family. So we have 3 snack ideas coming. Let's go. For the sweet snack, we're going to make some banana ice cream. So yesterday I chopped up 3 bananas and I had them in the freezer, get them nice and hard, and we're going to add that to the blender. Now you need a really strong blender for this because you're doing frozen stuff. It's very simple. I'm just going to add a little bit of pure vanilla extract. Now you could add a little cocoa powder to this if you wanted to. That would probably do it. But now I'm just going to blend it. So first I'm going to do it on a food chop because we're not trying to really turn this into a milkshake or anything. And because these are frozen, we got to get them going, and then we'll switch over to just a nice regular blend. So when you take it out of the blender, it's kind of a soft serve. So I'm putting it into a nice container here that can go into the freezer. You can eat it like this if you enjoy soft serve, or you can put this in the freezer now for just about an hour, and then you'll be able to scoop it out like real ice cream. So let's give it a taste. Pretty good. And here's our ice cream out of the freezer. You put your favorite topping on that. And there you have it. For our salty, spicy snack, we've taken a can of chickpeas. It's just a 15-ounce can. We've rinsed and dried them. We've removed as many of these little shells as we can. And we're going to put them in a frying pan with some olive oil. I'm going to use about 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. So I'm just eyeballing this. So I'd say that's about 3 tablespoons. We'll add our chickpeas. And we're just going to slowly toast these. Until they get a little crunchy. And while these are cooking, we're going to prepare our spicy topping. So I have some paprika here. I'm going to take a teaspoon of paprika. I'm going to take a half a teaspoon of cayenne. Cayenne's very hot. And I'm going to add some salt. So I'm going to mix this together. And when our chickpeas are crunchy, we're going to pull them out of the oil. We're going to dry them off a little with some paper towels, and we're going to sprinkle this over the top, and you have a nice little snack that you can pop into your mouth. Now that our chickpeas are nice and toasty, I'm taking a slotted spoon and I'm moving them to a bowl where I have a paper towel to get any of the excess oil off of them. So I'm just dabbing these with some paper towels. Be careful because they're hot. See, you're getting some of that oil off. So you can roll them around and then into the pot, into the bowl. And now we're going to sprinkle with our seasoning mix. I think I'll do this with my fingers. Roll them around so they get coated. So there you go, you have a little something crunchy to pop into your mouth with a little salt, a little heat. You just pop these like you're eating potato chips. Now we're going to make a party dip, starting with a base of some hummus. This is homemade hummus, and I'll put a link in the description below to a video I have where I actually make this hummus. So we're going to put this in a nice presentation jar. And then we're going to add toppings. So what we're making is a layered dip. So I have some chopped tomatoes here. I'm going to put a layer of chopped tomatoes. They add a nice color, and everyone loves tomatoes. Very Mediterranean. I'm going to put a layer of some grated fontina cheese. It's very moist and it sticks together, so just kind of pull it apart a little with your fingers. I have some chopped up Greek olives here. So we have some black ones, some red ones, some green ones. Gonna add a little layer of that. Just kind of spread them around. And I'll put a link to this on the blog. This is our cherry pepper relish. We have a recipe for that. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little of this in the center so people can decide whether or not they want to grab the hot stuff. So what we have is sort of a layered dip here. Now the important thing with dip is what you use to move it to your mouth, because these are all healthy ingredients. Same thing with salsa, guacamole, they're all nice healthy snacks, but it depends on what you're dipping into it. It can be fattening. So what I have here are some baby carrots and some cucumber slices. So you can just take a cucumber slice and you still get that crunchiness that you would get from a chip. Just dig in, get all of the layers there, and you have your healthy little party dip. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed these Mediterranean diet-inspired snack ideas. And let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed this video and if you want more snack ideas. I always love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I'll see you next time. Bye.